Hey guys, welcome back. Today, in a couple of days since the last video, I was going to clean up this area to make progress a little easier, but today is a public holiday. I need to get some bins, so I can't do that today, but I'm going to finish this table here. I made this a couple of weeks ago as a project to help teach myself how to weld. Now today I've just got to put in some shelves, base, might try and do the top as well. Only got a couple of hours to do this, so let's go. So we've got this old chest of drawers that we're just going to throw out. It's seen better days. We're going to try and repurpose that 3 shelves plus the bottom over there. Took a couple of measurements, should be right. Some things we might have to put in as slats, but it should work. I guess first stage is tear down. So that's all pulled down. Didn't take too long. Got a fair bit of stuff from it though. First of all these door handles and these drawer runners. All of these spare screws. I don't know what any of it will come in handy for. I don't really want to use these drawer runners on my kitchen drawers or anything. So maybe they'll become like toolbox drawer runners or something. Same with the handles. But I got all this wood. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good use of a cupboard that was just going to go in the bin anyway. So I guess let's start cutting everything down. Well, it's all done. That's it for today, or this video. I got all the shelves done. I wanted to do the top part too, but I was going to have lunch and go to work. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, so that's all done. It's really good to get stuff off of this workbench. So now I've got to clean up this area, then I'm going to put that in the middle. Then I'll have the option to work on that or on this, or both. Ended up to get a lot of stuff in the shelves. I would prefer to make drawers there, but it wasn't really a project to spend too much time on. Probably spent too much time on as it is. Yeah, it's good to be done. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. just editing a bunch of videos that I shot over the last few months, and I realised I didn't really end any of them properly. So I thought I'd just jump in here and make a quick clip to say thank you for watching the video you've just watched. And if you want to follow the journey, click the subscribe button. If you want to get notifications when we upload, click the bell. And if you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to comment. It all helps a new channel grow and get discovered. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.